The lazy donkey's trick. Coco, the donkey, was very lazy. He worked for a salt seller who took him to the market every day with heavy salt bags. One day, Coco fell into a river by mistake. The salt melted and the load became light. Wow, that was easy, he thought. The next day, he jumped into the river on purpose. The seller got suspicious, but said nothing. The next morning, the seller filled the bags with sponges instead of salt. As always, Coco jumped into the river. But this time, the sponges soaked up water and became very heavy. Coco could barely move. The seller laughed. "Tricks don't always work, Coco." From that day, Coco worked honestly. Morale: laziness can be tricky, but hard work wins in the end. Hehehe.